Okay, pool players, this is essentially the second chapter. We're going to start to attack the second ball. To be a little precise, we'll attack the top of the second ball with a 10-degree cut. Let's go ahead and get started.
Okay guys, with this shot, I'm going to hit the top of the 6 ball towards the 7 ball. Now I like to hit a stun follow on this shot, but I'm a little far away, so I'm going to hit a center ball instead, which will act like a stun follow. I've set my cue ball 2 diamonds away from the shot to make it a little more challenging with respect to judging the speed of the rotations. But I want to stun follow on the shot. I shoot the top of the 6, then the 7, then come up this direction. The stun follow should keep me from coming all the way up the table. It should land somewhere in the middle. All right, guys, that should be the right angle.
Okay guys, despite the limited angle with the center ball hit, I'm still able to generate quite a bit of energy and open up a lot of the racks. So let's see how I finish this rack.
Okay guys, right away you'll notice the 5 ball cluster in the middle. That's because of the angle I had on the break. I currently have a 10 ball I could use to open it up, but could congest the balls more, so I think I'm going to wait on that. And if anything, I'll use the 3 ball, because I have no other use for the 3, and it kind of helps me if I get a little separation. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit the 3 ball. I'm going to go into the 13, probably the 5, have shape on either the 5 or the 15. I have both the 15 and the 14. I'll play the 14 first. I'll maintain position on the 15 with that shot. Cheated the pocket on purpose so it wasn't frozen to the rail. Alright guys, I'm going to draw this straight up, position on the 11 ball. I'm going to use the 11 to get on the 10 ball. Okay, I believe I'm going to clip the 7 on this 10 ball, and as long as I hit the 7, this is a smart shot. Now I can play the 2, but I have to cheat the pocket a little bit, or I can play the 6 and not cheat the pocket. The problem with the 2 is it blocks the 13 ball and the 4 ball. So I'm going to take the 2 first. Now I'll play the 6 to the 4. Okay, now thinking about this from a positional standpoint, this 9 ball leads really nicely to the 8 ball as the break shot. The break shot's not an ideal break shot But if you get this angle, it becomes pretty sweet. I could also have played position to use the 4 ball as my break shot. I would have had to think about that prior to shooting the previous shots, because that option's gone now, kind of. Is it? Should I consider the 4 ball instead? If I use the 4 ball, I basically have to play position to the 12 ball now, or the 7. I'm going to do that because if I get good on the 12, I could actually bump the 7 out and create 2 break shots. And I'm saving the 4 ball and the 8 ball as a potential break shot. So if I get here on the 12, I can push the, I should say here because I'm not going to bump the 8. But if I get here on the 12, I can push the 7 out and then I can use that as a little better break shot.
Okay, I got a really fortuitous roll there. I was obviously trying to miss the 8 on the left side as we're looking at the screen, so I need to put a little more right English, hit a little lower, and hit it with a little more pace to get the proper position. Let's go ahead and see how I finish out the rest of this rack, though, with that good roll.
Actually, I play 7, 12, 4, 8. I'm just going to pop over to the rail. I'd like to get right around here. Okay, pretty good shape there.
Okay, pool players, we're starting chapter 2 of this exercise, basically a 10-degree cut attacking the second ball. This is episode 19. If you've been staying with me this whole time, I truly appreciate it. Hope it's been of value to you as much as it has been for me. I'm very grateful for all the views, comments, and appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys at the next angle, and have a great day or night.